Got my refrigerator delivered. As you can see, a lot of stuff has got to go back. I had to move my little shelfie thing here that I had my stuff on, and I've got to get that done. The inside of my freezer. Awesome, huh? And I love it. It's got an open catch on it. And that's the inside of my refrigerator. It's got to cool for an hour, he said. So we're going to let it cool. What I'm going to do is just kick this up to a little cooler. So it'll get cold fast. He said about an hour. And then I can put food in. Yay. All right, guys. What's stopping you? Nothing. It's just a catch drawer. I love you guys. Thank you. You guys are awesome.